Good day po, teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news and updates and free learning resources. So, quick update lang po tayo, teachers, na dahil nung nakaraang araw po ay meron pong lumabas na isang division na nagkaroon na po ng kanilang teaching allowance. So, check po natin yung division po na to at kung ano po yung mga list of schools. So, nakalagay po rito na Office of the Secretary and then NATO National High School. Ito po ay, ang purpose po ay cash requirements for payment of the cash allowance, 10,000 pesos per classroom teacher. And then cash requirements to cover the cash allowance for teachers. And then all dated May 11 issued by DepEd Regional Office 5. So Region 5 po ang meron pong cash allowance. So, ano po itong mga schools? We have NATO National High School, Rizal Integrated National High School, Rawis National High School, Panlayaan National High School, Division of Sorsogon City, Abuyog National High School, Celestino G. Tabuena Memorial National High School, Sorsogon National High School, San Isidro National High School, Pacon. So, marami pa pong mga schools ang under dyan. So, ipa-flash ko na lang po siya para po makita po natin. So, ito rin po, no, cash requirements for the payment of 10,000 pesos per teacher para po sa kanilang cash allowance. So, San Jose, Pulangi, Libon Agro, Malipo, Anisiag, Manito, Maramba, Kilikao, Mauraro, Owas, Balogo, Pili, Rapu-Rapu, Division of Albay, Katmon, Marshall, Pantao, Pioduran, Bong National High School. So, kasama rin po dyan, ito pong mga schools na meron na pong cash allowance. So, we have Don Gonsalvo, Goo, Ocampo, Veneracion, Rodolfo Pamor, Hobo, Pamukid, Palsong, Jodafredo, Juan L. Filipino, Malawag, Partido Agro, Del Gallego, Hanawan, Homobono, Juan F. Trevino, Magaraw, Maura, Minalabak, Nabua, La Purísima, Pamplona, Gainsa, Milaor, Calabanga, Don Sevillano, Platon. Then lastly, we have Buga, Malilipot, Daraga, Ponso, San Antonio, Tiwi, Villahermosa, Malinaw, Binisitahan, Saban, Santo Domingo, Barrio, Naga, Cabasan, Ilawod, Malabo, Lower Binugsakan, Masarawag, and Hubellar National High School. So, congratulations po sa Region 5 dahil makatanggap niyo na po ang inyong pong cash allowance na kahalaga po na 10,000 pesos. So, for latest updates po about our cash allowance, don't forget po to subscribe and hit the notification button para updated po tayo kung meron po mga bagong regions and bagong divisions na meron na po cash allowance. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.